Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Southern style air fried bologna sandwich. Alright, this is the bologna I'm going to go with right here. And I have like 4 slices of cheese. Have 4 tomatoes sliced up. Have onions. Have pickles. I have mayo right here, almonds, 2 bread right here, and I have lettuce right here, okay? Use like green leaf lettuce. Alright guys, first thing we want to do, we're going to push this stuff to the side, start working on this bologna. We want to take this and cut this open, and since I want some even pieces, I'm going to use my slicer for this. Make no sense not to use it. You gotta get the message. I mean, if you can cut it evenly, you can with your knife. I have a slicer that I paid good money for, so I'm going to use the slicer, okay? But yeah, we want to just cut them about yay thick. I don't know, about an inch. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the slicer. I'll be right back. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. It's my bologna. I just want to take this I'm going to put it in this air fryer. Really quick video. So that's how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and air fry this for about 5 minutes. And I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, while that's air frying, I'm just going to take these buns, put some butter on them and stick them in the oven. Like so. Or you can do it on top of the stove. I just know it's going to take a while, so that's why I'm just going to put them in the oven on boil till they brown up. And we start putting the bad boys together. Alright. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Here's my air fried bologna. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to come in here with some of this mayo. Much as you want. Alright, we're going to come in here with our onions, well, or a little mustard. Now this is optional, you don't have to use mustard. But I like a little mustard on mine. I know I didn't have it in there, but I do like it on mine, so. Come in here with some onions. Much as you want on yours. I'm going to come in here with some pickles. Yes, alright, now we're going to come in with a slice of cheese. I'm going to lay that on there. Take our bologna. Just like that. Then we'll come in here with some tomatoes. And lettuce. Like that. Put that on. Put that on. And there you have it, right there. The best Southern style air fried bologna sandwich. Alright, let me show you this up close. I'm telling you, it's good too. You guys never had it, you're missing out. Alright. Alright guys. go ahead and do the thumbnail, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, there it is. The best Southern style air fried bologna sandwich. Alright. How it looks, fam. Alright, I got some chips, some Lay's chips right over here that I don't know with. Not all of them, but you know, at least one bag. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in Veldoggs Kitchen. Much love.